Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then if you face this problem, the first thing you need to do is to go to your profile, here it is, and then at the top right click on the three lines button right up here. After that, you will see this interface. You need to find how you use Instagram section. This is the first section in this settings. And then click on the second option, archive. Here it is. Then you will see this interface. You need to click on the three dots button at the top right. And then click on the first option, settings, right up here. Then you will see these different options. You need to make sure you enable save story to archive. It is very important. If this option is disabled, you need to enable this option. So after that you need to go back again. You can refresh this page and then your problem will be fixed. And that's how to fix highlights not working on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.